Hello everyone and welcome to another edition of Kunamawian. And you know what? Let me take myself from the screen. Today I'm not important. Forget about me. This is important. Finally, the Commit Your Code conference is making its return for its consecutive year, and it's taking place from September 25th to September 26th in Dallas, Texas. The Commit Your Code conference, it was the first conference that I ever been, and it was last year. And the experience and everything that I got out of was so nice that I had to do it twice. As you can see, if you look in this picture, you see all the way in the back, that handsome fella, that's me. And man, I'm so grateful to say that my first tech conference was the Commit Your Code conference. Now, look, I'm not getting paid for this. This is from the bottom of my heart. I just want to share with you an event that was so impactful for me, and I just want to share with you because I just feel that if you are an up-and-coming software engineer, if you're a startup, if you're a founder, if you're a CEO, I think this is the place to be these 2 days. I just want to say that. So, Izzy, what is so special about the Commit Your Code conference? It's just a conference. So, yeah, it's just a conference, but there's a big difference. For the most part, when you go and attend conferences, unless you get a free ticket, for the most part, it's very expensive to attend a conference. And what Danny Thompson and his team really believe that education shouldn't be blocked because you can't afford a ticket. For the price of $50 and a little bit of taxes, you're able to attend a 2-day event. The Commit Your Code conference provides food, and if you have allergies, you can let them know when you pay for the ticket, and trust me, they will handle that for you. Now, I want to show you guys the different prices. So, as you can see, it says $50, $150, donate what you can. Izzy, what is the difference between all of these prices? The difference is nothing. It's just how much you decide that you want to donate. And this is key here, okay? This is key here. The Commit Your Code conference, all of the funds that they are able to get from the event, from the ticket sales and donations, go straight 100% to charity. They don't keep nothing. Last year, they donated to St. Jude and Free Code Camp. So those are two massive organizations. You can look them up. St. Jude, Free Code Camp. So let's go back here. The difference between these price tickets is how much you want to donate. But there's no difference in terms of the event, the quality, nothing changes. All it changes is if you want to donate more for charity, you're welcome to do so. And for those that are not able to attend in person, they can get a free ticket because it also gets streamed. Another thing that I love about the Commit Your Code conference is that they have multiple tracks: JavaScript, Java, Cloud, and .NET. So they have multiple talks taking place at the same time. And here's the best part of it. Just because you miss a talk, that doesn't mean you can't see it again. So all of the talks are being recorded simultaneously. So at the end of the event, you're able to see it. So if there was a talk at that particular moment that you couldn't see, don't worry. You can see it again because it's recorded and posted on their YouTube channels. Look, again, I'm not getting paid for this, but I feel that if you are a CEO, if you are a startup founder, if you are an up-and-coming software engineer, if you're already in the industry, this is the place to be in September 25th and 26th. Now, let's get straight to business. Izzy, what were you doing this whole week? I'm learning Spring Boot. This is the tutorial that I'm taking. The Spring Boot. I already finished my Java course. Now I'm taking the Spring Boot because I really want to get comfortable with the language so I can start working on my third project. And it's been great so far. The thing is, I take a lot of time when it's time to take tutorials. And I know what you say, Izzy, tutorial hell. No, this is not what's happening. I really take my time when I'm taking tutorials. And I really like to make sure I understand the concept before I move on. And today I was learning how to do routes, like post requests, get requests and stuff. And I was just playing around with the Postman, the API tester, and it was fun. I learned today about the JSON property, and it's so many annotations for that I'm learning. So every day is something new that I'm learning. Another thing, this week was great in terms of networking. I went to a tech conference, went also to a meetup yesterday. So something that I'm doing now, when I go to meetups, I do shorts and then I upload them right away. And this was the conference that I went on Wednesday. And then yesterday I went to this coding meetup that took place, both of them in Manhattan. So both were fun, and it's something that I'm going to keep doing. Every time I go to a meetup, I'm going to do a quick short to show you guys what I'm doing. So that's all I have for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Peace.